Hi guys, this is F channel, how you doing? In today's video, my team and I decided to make red lentil soup. So let's crack on. So the main ingredients obviously is the red lentil, which I already washed and drained. We've got 1 potato, 1 carrot, 1 onion, and 2 cloves of garlic, and some olive oil and some herbs. As you can see, it has very few ingredients and it's vegan, which is very appropriate for the Lent period. I will start with preparing the ingredients. So firstly, I will cut the onion and the 2 cloves of garlic. I make this recipe for very first time. Normally my assistant does this recipe for me. Cooks it for me, and I really enjoy it. So he will give me extra instruction. Is this size alright?
Yes.
Is this alright? Potatoes into small pieces.
Yes, please.
Can I make them slightly bigger than the onions?
Yes,
Thank you.
you can.
Apparently I make too much noise when I'm putting whatever I put in like this.
Good.
Bendy carrots, always challenging to cut. I'm trying here to cut this very bendy, challenging carrot, and he's over there telling me, you put a little bit of weight on, put your stomach in, go put bigger trousers and stuff like that. Not very motivating, is it? We're going through a process of cooking now, yes?
Yes.
This was all the preparation. Am I going to need the chopping board anymore?
You don't need.
I don't need the chopping board.
You can chop yourself.
So I prepared onions and the garlic finely chopped in one of my bowls, and potato and the carrot slightly bigger, and the lentil on one side. So this is the main ingredients. And in a pan I'm putting a little bit of oil. We're adding 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. And are we waiting for the oil to become hot? I think it's already hot. We're adding the onions, yes? And the garlic. After we fried the onions and the garlic slightly, we add the potato and the carrots and the lentil. And we fry this for 2 minutes with all the ingredients in it. We obviously need to mix it constantly. Do you think it's ready for the water?
Yes, ready.
And we're adding 3 glasses of water?
4.
4 glasses of water. And I think I over-fried the onion a little bit, but that will be fine. When it's blended, it will be all fine. Now I'm going to put the lid on and boil roughly for how long? and we close the lid and we boil it for 15 to 20 minutes till the lentil becomes soft and ready to blend.
Ed, what do you think about vegans?
I don't mind them. I think they're alright. Some of them. So all our ingredients are boiled now and ready to blend. But before I blend it, I will add some herbs. So I will add some black pepper, some salt, and some spicy red pepper, which I think is cayenne pepper or paprika. It depends. If you don't like it very spicy, you can add whichever you want. One more thing I would like to add. If after boiling most of the water disappears, you can add some hot water in order to make the consistency more like a soup than a puree. So it's all, obviously the herbs, the black pepper and salt depends on how you like it. I don't like it very spicy, so hot. You see, I don't have a spoon rester, so I will make portions.
Kendin yapabilirsin.
And we blended it! And obviously when you blend it, you have to follow all the health and safety instructions. I think that's it done now. According to my assistant, I don't know how to hold a blender. That's why I make a mess. My soup is ready for serving, and I will get some lemon wedges and some bread. Can I have some more salt, please? Thank you. My assistant, always so helpful. Okay, some lemon. And now it's time to try my vegan lentil soup. So, this is one of my favorite vegan dish, and I really like it in the winter. I don't want to say anything against vegans and veganism because they're very they are protecting their ideology really strongly, but I'm not huge supporter of veganism, because for me the vegans are like religious extremists. They're too extreme. The thing I don't like is, you know, when it hits January and everyone becomes vegan, you know, veganuary madness, and they are so excited and they try all this boring vegan bacons and vegan burgers, and in mid-February they're already dying for some real burgers. That is fun to watch. Anyway, let me try this before it gets too cold. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the future videos. Bye!